Hello, this is Paul from Mobile PC Doctor. Just built this computer for a customer. He wanted me to build him a mid-priced desktop tower computer system to replace the previous one that I supplied him. And I've come up with this specification and it is stonking. So I'm quite impressed with it myself. Every computer that I build, they tend to be slightly different. And of course, as time changes, newer components come out, and so I'm never building the same computer for very long before I move on to something different. Now this computer's got the latest 8th gen Intel i3 processor. Now with a laptop you'll be getting maximum 1.8 gigahertz. This one's running at 3.6 gigahertz quad core. That's incredibly fast and good for doing most tasks. It's got one stick of 8 gigabytes of RAM, which means you can stick in another stick of RAM in the future if you wanted to, but 8 gig is plenty. But this RAM runs at 2.6 gigahertz. That's huge. When Windows XP came out, that was the first generation of computer that brought out DDR1. So this is DDR4 memory. And that DDR1 memory came out at 266 megahertz. That's when Windows XP came out. Now we're up to DDR4, and this is running the faster end of DDR4, running at 2666 megahertz. A massive leap forward. You've got a very good high-end power supply that kicks out consistent good voltage. So what you see on the label, you actually get that power rating. It's got a very good solid motherboard with 4 USBs on the back, 2 on the front, and some mid-board spare ports. You've got a very, very quick SSD hard drive there. That gives you the performance for booting up, shutting down, and running programs. And you've got a terabyte hard drive there for internal storage and backup, as well as a DVD rewriter. So very capable machine, and the lovely thing about this is that if you wanted to add a dedicated graphics card, you've got the port to do it. If you want to add dedicated Wi-Fi, you've got the ports to do it. You can add, take away, subtract, upgrade, improve. That's the beauty of these towers. When you buy something fixed, like a laptop, there's very little you can do with those in terms of upgrading. If you go for a slimline tower, you don't have the space inside like you have in these to actually upgrade. And the beauty of upgrading is that you don't have to keep spending money, so much money buying new computers all the time. So, enough of my waffle. Let's just see how fast this computer is. There it is, done. There's all your background programs loaded in, ready to go. So you could go on the internet and do whatever you want now. It's ready to go. If you don't want to buy a computer like this because you are used to a laptop, but you want more performance out of your laptop, or if you have an older computer that you want to spend a little bit of money on, but you don't want to spend hundreds of pounds buying a replacement, then give me a call, because we can talk about upgrading your laptop or PC to have this very fast SSD hard drive. It will make a lot of difference to your performance. Now what I'm going to do is show you how quickly it turns off. Look at that. That is amazing. Amazing fast. And if this was my computer, I'd be very pleased with it. So there you go. If you're interested in buying a computer and you're interested in something like this, give me a call. If you're interested in making your current computer faster, give me a call. I'll see what I can do.